are fine and welcome back to my channel. Myself Risha, and today I will not tell a story or anything, but today I am here with very interesting number drawings. There will be many things to learn about number drawings. You should learn straight lines, circles, triangles and etc. Now, before we start with our topic, let's sing a poem. Okay, so poem meaning is poem. So today's poem is The Sparrow. Let's sing. Glad to see you, little bird. 'Twas your plaintive chirp I heard. What did you intend to say? Give me something this cold day. That I will, and plenty too. All these crumbs I saved for you. Don't be frightened. Here's a treat. I will wait and see you eat. Shocking tales I hear of you. Speak and tell me, are they true? Thomas says you steal his wheat. John complains his grapes you eat. But I just don't want to know what you did so long ago. There's your breakfast, eat away. Come and see me every day. Thank you. Hope you like the poem. So let's begin with our number drawing. The first number drawing that we are going to make is with the number 1. So let's begin. Now, with the number 1, first write one like this. How I wrote this one. First, I made a straight line, then like this, and a big line at the center. So this is how I wrote one. Now let's make with something with the number 1. From here, where this particular line is ending, just make a line like this. Now just do like this, mostly like a raindrop. To make it more look like that, just make like this. Like this. Okay, and now we will make this and this. When the candle just melts down, that is what we are have to make this thing, this and this. Okay, so now hope you like the candle. Now let's go to our second number. It is number 2 only. Let's make a swan. Where the first you write a 2. Okay. Now where the 2 is ending, just draw a little bit more till here. Now what we'll do is just make it a little more, and where the line you have made is ending, just make another line like this. Not the full, okay. From the ending, now it is ending. Now from the ending of the 2, we will draw another line. Now we will not just full it like this. We will leave few space. Now let's come to the eyes. Now let's make the swan's beak like this, and very ending you just draw a line like this. And now I will tell you why did I told you to left this line. Because so that it is feeling that yes, the duck is inside the pond and it's swimming along. I mean the swan, sorry. Now let's draw the wings. Like this. From here, we will make like this. And so it is all done. Our swan and our candle is ready. Now let's move on to our next drawings. Now we are going to make drawing with the number 3. First write 3 like this, where the 3 is starting. From there make a line till the ending, like this. It should be big. And after that we will make eyes. Can you guess which animal I am making? Now the beak. Now you have already guessed, I know. It's a bird. Time for the tail. So now we will make the claws. This is our bird. Now we will make the branch where it is sitting. It's about to take off. Here's our bird. It's ready. Now let's make something with the number 4. I wonder what we can make with the number 4. Come on, let's see. With the number 4, over here in this part, the head of the 4. Over here, we will draw lines straight till here. Now we'll give it a diamond shape, like this. Now you have guessed it right, it's a kite. Then like over here, a straight line. Then like this, another line from there, and a rope, semicircle over here, and a circle over here. Our kite is ready. Hope you like the number drawings come poem, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye. Stay home, stay safe, take care, have fun with Kids Roma. Bye bye. Did I miss anything? Or hey, did I say bye? Did I?